Hey guys, so I've received a lot of questions and messages on how to take care of your curly hair extensions. Curly extensions and curly hair period actually requires work and daily maintenance. The hair is not just going to fall out the bonnet like some Peruvian body wave. You're going to have to work for your curls. So here are 10 tips that you can add to your hair routine to get your curls to where you want them to be. When detangling your hair, use your fingers or a wide tooth comb instead of a brush to prevent breakage and preserve the shape of your curls. When combing your hair, gradually move upward instead of starting at the roots. It's much easier to comb through knots and tangles at the ends, and that'll minimize breakage. Make a cocktail. Product cocktailing is combining store-bought products with raw ingredients to create your own customized product. Mix it in a spray bottle and use it to detangle. Mix a small amount of sulfate-free shampoo with a lot of conditioner to make your own customized cleansing conditioner. This will clean your hair without stripping all the natural oils. Dry your hair with a t-shirt. Towels absorb too much water and moisture out of the hair, but the smoothness of a t-shirt will help smooth your curls and prevent them from getting matted. Use a cream leave-in conditioner to moisturize your hair while sculpting your curls. Scrunch and twist the products into your damp hair. A Denman brush can cut down your detangling time, evenly distribute product in curly hair, and help achieve amazing curl definition. A diffuser will minimize frizz while quickly forming curls and adding volume. After defining curls with a Denman brush, diffuse them. To revive your curls on days between washes, use a curl refresher and style as usual. Using a satin bonnet, pillowcase, or scarf will allow your hair to slide over the smooth fabric and prevent tangles or matting in the morning.